I'm Deborah Dahab, your expat coach and intercultural psychologist, and I help people prepare for a move abroad and also help them adjust once they have moved. So I'm going to share with you today some things that I have learned during my expat journey, and also my clients have given me this feedback, and there are 3 things that you need to know before you move. So first thing, know your what for. I'm going to link another video where I explain the process of finding your what for. There's actually an exercise there, a tool to help you. Knowing your what for is going way beyond your whys. Knowing why we want to move is typically where we stop, and that's just the start actually. So knowing what you want to move for, knowing your what you want to accomplish, what are your goals, that's really crucial. So knowing that is one of the first most important steps, and this is something you need to know before you move abroad. The other thing that is super important is that routines are your best friend. When you move abroad, you will be in a different place with different references, with different food, sometimes a different language. Everything will be different. So it's really important and really helps to stay grounded and to manage all these changes to establish routines. Now, these routines can be things like drinking water, taking breaks, everything that gives you more a healthy lifestyle. Also, waking up at the same time, going to bed at the same time. These things that we know are good for us, but we can get a little bit off track, so to speak, when we're moving abroad because everything changes. Really make an effort to create and maintain these routines because these can help you stay grounded when everything else around you changes. And the last thing that I really want to address here, which is something that a lot of people suffer with, it's one of the biggest challenges among expats, which is loneliness. And sometimes we expect to make 10 best friends in 2 weeks. That usually doesn't happen because making friends takes effort, takes patience. If you think about how long it took us, many decades, to create friendships throughout our lives, it will take time. And I'll also include a link up here where I share some tips on how to make friends in a new country. It takes time, it takes effort. Be patient, don't take things personally. This is something that really requires time. It's not immediate. So these are the things that I really think it's really important to know before you move abroad. If this is something that resonates with you, if this is something that you find helpful, feel free to get my free international starter course. The link is in the description box. The starter course is a free 4-lesson mini course where you will get acquainted with many of the different concepts that will help you prepare for a move emotionally, planning wise, and everything that you didn't know you needed when you move abroad. I hope this was helpful. This was a very short, quick video just to get these seeds planted. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions or you would like for me to talk about anything else or any specific topic of your international journey to help you through this life-changing moment, which is a move abroad. I hope to see you next time.